What's up, guys? This is another bike check. I got a new bike. I traded my iPod for it. Yeah, it's pretty sick. I still have the kink that's over there. But yeah, I have, starting from the back, I've got fit tan wall tires front and back, and I got stolen blue rims with a stolen hub, same in the front. I got a Eastern frame with a fit seat and Eastern pedals. I'm gonna swap those for Odyssey Twisted. Odyssey's not my favorite. Then I got a nice Shadow Conspiracy chain with an Eastern hub and Eastern cranks. And then a rusty Eastern stem that I'm gonna swap out for a stolen stem I have. So yeah, that's pretty sick. And the forks, I'm actually not even sure, but I'm probably gonna change them for something, I'm not sure. But I do have my stock kink blue forks. But oh, and then obviously handlebars. I got Lumberjack. These ones are, well, I don't have stickers and they're painted and scuffed, but yeah, they're still straight. I'll probably get new ones though. And then I got ODI bar ends with light blue ODIs to match the rims. But yeah, it's a pretty sick bike, especially for a 4th gen iPod. And then, yeah, then of course I still got this bike. But yeah, thanks guys. Peace.